Hello and welcome to the island. You're watching Island House Handmade, and today we are going to make a still inspired going away present for our friends that are retiring to Florida. Yes, we're going to miss them, but I wanted to make them a little memorabilia to keep with them as they move on from our hometown here out on the North Fork. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this today. Now we have local maps that are really cute, these little discovery maps, and they have everybody's hamlet, and it says the North Fork, and our little hamlet here is Ornament. So I'm going to use this map as part of the going away gift. Also, I'm making them a Christmas ornament. So we're going to fill this with sand and sea glass that I found on our beach as a nice memory. I'm going to show you I used my Cricut to make a decal, and I have a close-up of that for you. Now I went down to the beach and I just grabbed a whole bunch of sand because I'm going to fill the bottom of the Christmas ornament with that. Now I'm going to make a candle as well. And I have Beach House fragrance oil, and it smells really good. So we're going to use this. I have wax. I have my little melting pot here that I'm going to put on the stove. And I also have cut out a piece of art paper, which is watercolor paper, and it has a nice little texture on it. So I think this will be a nice backdrop. I have this really pretty frame that just stands up on its own, and then we'll put the paper in, and then I will show you what we're doing with the map. It's a little unexpected, so really excited about this. And then at the end of the video, we are going to wrap it all up, and I'll show you how I wrap it. And wrapping is actually my favorite part, so stay all the way till the end till you see that. And so let's go ahead and put the sand in the Christmas ornament, and we'll get this going first. Okay. Let's jump into the ornament. So we're gonna layer it with, I'm gonna layer it with sand, sea glass from our beach, driftwood from our beach. It's gonna be the cutest thing. And then we're gonna put a bow on it. And my theme is blue and green from the colors of the map. So I chose a green stencil. So I have a nice white funnel and it fits really good right into the ball. So like sands through the hourglass. So are the days of our lives, guys. We're gonna fill the ball with sand. All right, the final piece. I'm ready. I have my little tongs here. I just want to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere I don't want it to go. So here is the last final driftwood piece. Nestle it right in. That looks adorable. I don't know if you could see. I'll do a close-up, but that's really cute. I love it. Now we can put the cover back on. And it's ready. That wasn't too bad. Okay, we got one step out of the way. Now I will set up our candle. We have a wick here, and the bottom is flat. On the bottom of this jar, there's a nice little circle, so that's where we're going to line up this wick. I'm going to use a little glue stick and just kind of hold it there, and I'm going to use tape to hold the wick across. So I'll just put a little of this on. Hopefully this works. I'm not sure if it'll work, but try it. Yep, that'll work perfect. Put the wick right at the bottom. And then just hold it in the middle like this. That should keep it straight as you pour it in. Next we need to melt all this. And before I melt this, I'm gonna add the Beach House scent into this, put it on the stove, and melt away. Okay, we're almost ready. Great, quick progress update on the candle. It's been 1 hour. It's still warm. I could take the tape off now. I'm just gonna cut the wick. Okay, and let's remove the tape. So the decal is finished. It's kind of hard to see here, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it on the candle. And I'm going to take this line on the paper, the transfer paper, and I know it'll be straight if I line this line up on the cap, and you'll see it come together. Now you can use your little tool. I have created this little template that I know fits on the size of the paper. So what we're doing is we're going to cut out this little bathing suit from the map. So this is our little map memorabilia project. It's this like a pattern piece on exactly where I think it will look good on the map. Now we can finish the artwork portion of the gift. We've cut out our orient. I made some additions. I folded the green portion for the straps. I added a bow. I added some ruffles at the bust line and on the leg line here. And now also I cut out a few of my favorite parts of the map, like the state park here, the beach, and the ferry terminal. And then I added some other things that weren't exactly placed where I wanted them. So I used a glue stick very lightly, and that seemed to have worked. Now we're almost finished. Okay, now what we do is sandwich it in between the glass. And that's our cute map inspired memorabilia gift. Well, we made it to the end. We wrapped the beautiful present and I can't wait to present it to them. I'm going over now and we'll see how they react. We have our blue and green theme. Everything matches, and we're just gonna put the finishing touch with this little bow. And we have our congratulations tag because they're moving and they sold their home. And this was an absolute blast. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the show, and I hope I inspired you to be a little bit creative in your home. From my home to yours, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.